Alright, let's see if bombs can blow up wooden blocks. I feel like they shouldn't be able to, but...
Oh, pardon me.
Alright.
Woot!
Good one.
He got his hair. Carl gave him that stuff. It's totally just the front though. That one.
Yeah.
Not bad.
It's almost...
Not bad.
Oh.
I should try some
Okay,
new
we're into
styles.
the girl hairstyle, so I think for now at least we'll just go with this.
Alright.
Okay. All right. Here's where it gets tough. Let's start with the eyebrows and stuff. Like.
Who made your facial hair that long?
I don't know.
What is that?
Oh, be gross.
Zoom, 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 zoom. Watch.
Nice.
Welcome to the Enrichment Center.
Enrich yourself today.
Like I was just printed on quick paper.
Since making test participation mandatory for all employees, the quality of our test subjects...
And we're gonna see what they did with it. We're listening to Minecraft, or we're listening to Starship Amazing.
Oh, excuse me.
As
sorry.
usual, Becky's sneezing.
The start of the show makes me sneeze.
What a gong
Their
show.
website has all their songs streaming.
Go